So they eat with that. You need to never play around with their face also. Never approach a terrapin, turtle or tortoise from their face. Yeah. It's not a turtle. Not a tortoise also. Yeah. Don't be confused. So this new animal for you. It was new animal for me also before I came in here. So this is a terrapin. Terrapins are somewhere in between turtles and tortoises. These are actually subspecies of turtles. And what is the difference? So turtles are completely aquatic animals. They spend all of their life in water. They just come out of water to bask and to lay eggs. There'll be very few days in a year. Otherwise, they're completely in water. They'll have web foot or flippers to help them swim in water. On the other hand, tortoises are completely terrestrial animals. They have very heavy shell and padded foot like that of elephants to help them walk on land. Yeah, if you're going to put a tortoise in water, it will drown and die. It can't swim. But these guys can swim in water and can also walk on land easily. You can observe they have webbed foot and also very sharp claws. The webbed foot help them swim and sharp claws help them grip on land. So these are terrapins. And what do you call an animal which can be in water and land? Amphibians, but these guys are not amphibians. Why? You can see inside the pond, all of them are putting their snouts out for oxygen. They can't breathe underwater. These are also coming under the class of reptiles, and this particular species of terrapin is called as a red-eared slider. Why a red-eared slider? You can observe they have a red mark extending from the eyes to the neck. As they are red-eared, and they are called sliders because whenever they confront any predator, they just slide into water. And red-eared sliders are originally native to South America, and they were brought here to India in pet trade. These are very common pets all around all around India and all around the world. So you can get a terrapin, a red-eared slider of this size. Yeah, so they are very easily available. These are also exoskeletal animals. Turtles, tortoises, and terrapins are exoskeletal animals. So when I say exoskeletal, they have their skeleton outside their body. As we are endoskeletal, we have our skeleton inside the muscles. They have skeleton outside the muscles. This is basically their skeleton. So people confuse it to be a fully arched structure that can't break even if you drop them, even if you roll them around. It's not really true. It's a semi-hard structure which can break if enough force is provided. So this is just like my nail. It is made of the same protein which is keratin. If I drop them from this side, the shell is going to crack, and these guys can't survive with a cracked shell because we can see the kind of water they live in. It's very dirty, and they'll have an open wound which will take a lot of time to heal, and by the time they pick up an infection, they'll die easily. Yeah? So don't play around with their shell. And also another thing, so can you see a white lip-like structure under their nose? So they eat with that. Can you see a white line under their nose? This one. We eat with that. What can it be called? So what do we eat with? A mouth. Right? So what do birds eat with? Beak. Why is it called a beak and not a mouth? You also eat with that. Have you ever thought about it? A beak. So it's called a beak, and the beak is strong enough to rip off my finger and one snap. Yeah, so it's that strong because these guys are very slow in nature. They can't run behind prey. They have to get their prey in one go, and they'll have very strong bite. And these guys also have a tendency that they'll bite and hold on to something until they get to swallow it. So never play around with their face. Also, never approach a terrapin, turtle, or tortoise from their face. Yeah, because they don't know a difference between a foot or a finger. They just snap it and try to hold it, and it'll be very painful. Yeah, so you can come close and give him a gentle touch on a shell like this. Please don't tap on off. Instead, it's his bones, and he has multiple organs in here. You can feel every touch.